welcome to a new video from me. Happy Friday, guys. Welcome to another PR unboxing. We do these videos every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we unbox them together so we can see all that's new in skincare, beauty. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we got this little bitty package here from Nars. And I believe this is their new palette here. This is so tiny. A little present. So here's this. So this is their new Summer Solstice eyeshadow palette. And I've been getting into Nars eyeshadows. I used to kind of feel like they were like, not lackluster, but like a little less pigmented. But honestly, sometimes like today's look, I feel like it's a little more subdued. I feel like I've been really getting into that. Like I used to be someone who wanted just like every shimmer to be super shimmery. And now I kind of feel like I'm into like a little bit more of a, you know, a lighter shimmer. So I have been really enjoying their formula lately. I've been using a lot of their last collection that came out. The only thing I hate is their packaging. Like I hate how hard sometimes their stuff is to open. This is very pretty. So here is the inside of the Summer Solstice palette. So you guys kind of, I'll see if I swatch them. It's not that they're like a sheer formula. They're just a little bit, they're not as like shimmery as others. But here's like a look at them right there. But like I said, I've been kind of into that lately. Like not just like a super opaque type of shimmer. So very cute. I actually like this a lot actually for summer because I feel like it's a lot of like oranges and pinks and I'm really into that color story. Also beautiful packaging on this one. Nars by far has my favorite packaging I think out of any brand. I just love their stuff. It always looks so pretty. So I'm going to link that palette along with everything else we unbox. As always, I always put the links down below so you guys can shop any of the items or check them out if you want to. But that was a good start. I love getting into some palettes, especially from Nars. So let's see what we have next. I'm going to grab a box here from DERMA. Okay, this says, Happy Mother's Day. A mother is your first friend, your best friend, and your forever friend. Very sweet. So it says, we hope you love it. We hope that this Mother's Day you are spoiled with relaxation, time spent with loved ones, including some alone time, and this special day, DERMA fans fave help smooth lines, hydrate, and plump up your skin. You deserve it. Very cute there. So let's see what they sent over. So first in here we have a little mirror. They always have these really cute little like pocket mirrors that you could put like in your purse or something. We also have their advanced peptide and collagen serum. I feel like this is like one of their staple products in their line. And then we also have from them their advanced peptides collagen eye cream. I have not tried this one. Definitely gonna give that a try. Their peptide line is really nice. I have tried the serum before, but I've never tried this. And then they also sent over the peptide moisturizer as well. So I'm gonna put probably both these in my routine there and try this out, but I'm excited about that eye cream. And then also in here, I think we have a little bag. So a little canvas bag, which those are always nice. Actually, I've been storing a lot of my makeup in these bags, but those are always nice for like shopping trips or something like that. That's clean is beautiful. Very, very cool. New from OFRA, we have a new highlight. This is always so exciting. So this is the new Mother Earth highlighter. And I know this one released on Earth Day, which is awesome, which is actually my birthday. So Earth Day is always something that's fun for me. So first inside of here, we have their reusable straws. Awesome. I love reusable straws. I feel like I always use like metal ones and such. So very cool that they included these. Actually, these look really cute. Like a little thing on there, so I think there's a whole pack of those. So awesome. Actually like that they're longer too because that's super helpful. And those are from the brand Wonder Sip. Oh, fun. So they like looks like they can like click onto your cup or whatever. That's awesome. Okay, so I have those, and then let's see the new highlight. I'm excited to see what this looks like, to swatch it. I know it's supposed to have like a green shift to it, which I think is really fun. So classic OFRA packaging right here, and here is a look at the highlights. So again, it's called Mother Earth, and in the pan it looks very like white, like it looks very stark white, but I know that this is supposed to have like a bit of a shift to it, and yes, I can definitely see the shift there. Wow. Something about OFRA's highlighters, I just can't. Like they are so creamy, so just like pigmented and foiled. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out so you can kind of see, blend it out. You can definitely see like that hint of like, there's like a hint of yellow or green in there. But it looks really, really gorgeous. Excited to try this out. Why don't we try it on the face? Let's try it. I don't have any highlight on right now, so I can pop a little bit of this on. I actually have a green shirt on, so it kind of works. I'm just going to use a fan, oh my gosh, oh, very pigmented, a fan brush here from Motive. So let's kind of blend that out a little there. Wow, yeah, that's binding. That's why I said OFRA's highlights are like some of the most pigmented, I feel like, on the market for sure. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush here and kind of just diffuse that a little, because I like to glow, but that's a little intense for me even. So we'll kind of see if we can't blend it out a little bit there, but very pretty. I like that it has, like I said, a little subtle shift to it, but it's nothing overpowering or anything like that. Very, very pretty. Like this one, I am an affiliate with OFRA, so if you want to go ahead and grab the Mother Earth highlights, you can use my coupon code MAKEUPMOLLY. It will get you 20% off, and I will also, of course, link this down below too. I am grabbing something here from Kopari, and I love Kopari's products. I especially have been really getting into their lip glossies. I have went through, I think, an entire tube of one, but I've been like using them a bunch just throughout the day as like hydrating on my lips. I use them as glosses. They've been my favorites. So it looks like we have a new product from them. This is the Tropical Coconut Melt. So it says it's a Pina Colada scent. It launches on April 9th, so it will be available now, and it is a coconut oil if you've never tried like their other coconut oils. So let's see if I can smell it through the thing, but I can't, so let me open it up. I can definitely smell the coconut. That smells so yummy. So you can apply this like all over your body to help nourish the skin. I'm definitely gonna put that in my shower. I also have one of their deodorants in here, the coconut oil. These were the lip glosses I was talking about, the lip glossies. So good. So they included two different ones. Ooh, the coconut, and then also the watermelon. I've been using the watermelon one a bunch. Those are great. And then also in here we have the body milk as well. And then it looks like they included a little comb in here too, which is great. So very, very exciting here from Kopari. I can't wait to try this. This ginormous box here from Liquid IV. So here is the package. Again, another green themed package. So this is their pear flavor. I think this is new. I don't know if it's new, but I haven't tried this one. And it says that this carton is 100% recyclable, organic, 100% compostable, non-toxic, water suitable, bio-based, and also 100% biodegradable. So that is awesome. So here is that. I've been talking about Liquid IV a bunch. I really have been loving them, especially their hydration multiplier. It's really great for getting your water intake. They say that one of the pouches of that is equivalent to 3 cups of water. So super great electrolyte drink, definitely recommend. And then they also included in here a water bottle, and this is a clean water bottle. It says 1 for 1,000 plastic collectors, financial empowerment, and also closing the loop in waste. So here's that right there. It's from Ocean Bottle. Awesome. I love ones like this, and I like that it has a little thing. I always feel like those come in handy. So very cool there. I am also an affiliate with Liquid IV. I've mentioned before, but a lot of you have been saying you've been using my code, so that's so fun. It is MAKEUPMOLLY. It gets you 25% off their site and also free shipping. So if you want to try Liquid IV, you can use that if you would like to. It wouldn't be a PR haul without Mr. Rowan waking up early from his nap, so it looks like he is going to join us again for this one. He actually got a haircut this morning, didn't you? So he has his hair, he got it trimmed up. We need to fix the front still because he was not having it, but he did get a haircut. So Origins is up next. I have not got a package from Origins in a very long time, so I'm excited to see what they sent over. So this is their Mega Mushroom Relief Resilience. So this is a smoothing treatment lotion right here. Very pretty packaging. I like this packaging a lot. So it says 1 bottle equals 1 tree. So for every bottle, Origins plants a tree. I love that. I love when brands do that. So great. And then they also put in here a reusable water bottle. So another one of those. I love this one. I love that it's glass too. We have a reusable canvas bag. I like how large this one is right here. And then they also have a little sticker here. I'll give this to Rowan so he can play with that. But a book, a guide to unplugging and reconnecting with what really matters on a daily basis. Very nice. So Getting Away is the name of the book. So I'll have to look into this. So it says carry a book wherever you go, audit your phone usage. So lots of healthy tips in here for kind of getting away from the day. So I love that. I'll have to look into this. And yeah, that's always important. So very cool there. So it does say that this is a light, refreshing treatment lotion, rapidly reduces visible redness and restores resilience, and also hydrates the skin. We have this little bag here, very cutely done here from IT Cosmetics. So it says, say bye-bye. Ooh, it's a cleansing balm. You guys know how much I love me cleansing balms. So it says, say bye-bye to traces of makeup, even waterproof with Bye Bye Makeup Cleansing Balm. So excited about this. It says delivers 3 skincare products in 1 gentle formula. It's hydrating, sulfate-free, purifying instant makeup remover, anti-aging, skin softening serum. And then they also, looks like they included their superhero mascara in here as well. I am so excited to try this cleansing balm. Definitely be using this tonight. I love trying cleansing balms. It's like my new obsession. So I've been really enjoying that new one from a pharmacy. But here is what it looks like, and we'll see. I want to see if it had a fragrance in it, because I've been kind of, it has a slight fragrance. Some of the cosmetics, I have noticed some of their skincare is like pretty fragranced, but this one doesn't seem bad. So I will definitely try that, like I said. And then we also have their superhero mascara. I've used this before. It's a really nice lengthening mascara. So very excited to have that back in my collection as well. I have First Aid Beauty up next. So it says Smooth Away Chicken Skin. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. And I know they already have their, I think they have their scrub already. So it looks like, I think this is a new lotion that came out as well. I have tried the Bump Eraser Scrub. I know Shane was also using it in the shower for a while. So here is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, safe for sensitive skin. This is the big tub of it. The last one I had was like a little trial one. And then they also have now the KP Smoothing Lotion. So I believe the lotion is what's new. So you can apply both of these to kind of help with any of those dry patches that you may have, or like rough skin, to kind of help smooth them out. First Aid Beauty is one of my favorite skincare brands. I highly recommend them if you are or you do have sensitive skin, because I feel like their products are really nice and they're not too like overpowering or anything like that. So I think they're a great one to try their products if you are looking to get into a new skincare brand. I definitely recommend a lot of their stuff. Seems like a skincare unboxing because I have so much skincare stuff. Mario Badescu up next. It looks like Rowan is trying to get into a lip gloss, so we'll see how that goes here. But we have from Mario Badescu their cleansing oil. Okay, I told you guys how much I love cleansers, so I have to try this. So this is their cleansing oil right here. And they also included in here their gentle foaming cleanser as well. So kind of like you can double cleanse here with both of these items. So definitely put these in my routine. Again, I'll probably try this tomorrow since I'm going to try the other one tonight. But I always try to use skincare products like this over on Instagram too. So if you guys wanted to ever see like how they remove the makeup and stuff like that, definitely make sure to follow me over there. The price on Mario Badescu is good though, so it's $16 for the cleansing oil and then $14 for the foam. So definitely more of a more affordable brand. I know you can find them at Ulta Beauty. Stands Out Beauty up next here, and they sent over one of their makeup sponges. So they are the ones that have the diamond shape makeup sponge, and these are actually like a microfiber, not a microfiber, I think it is microfiber. I'm trying to think of the word, but basically like a cushion sponge. So I have one of those there from them. And I also have their new eyeliner. I tried this out in a couple PR unboxings ago. I showed it to you guys. This is the Black Diamond eyeliner. This is nice. I did try it out, and it has a really nice packaging. Very sparkly, very cute. So thank you, Stands Out, for the restock on that sponge. Lots of sheet masks up next. This is from MASQUE. They actually have a really cool, I'm not sure if any of these are in here. I don't think so, but they have a really cool mask that's like a face mask for underneath your face masks. So it's a hydrating mask that goes just like this part of your face. Really nice. I've used a bunch of those. But they sent over some of their Pretty Animals sheet masks. How fun. Okay, so we have a shark. I'll have to use this one. Rowan is very into like baby shark and everything. We have a unicorn. Very cute. We also have a cat. There is a dash hound. Oh my gosh, a beagle, a poodle. How fun. This would be so fun for like a little girl's like birthday party or something, just like a little pamper night. So wouldn't that be cute? And they have a Dalmatian, a husky, a green giraffe, and then also a pink zebra. Super cute. I love this. So this will be really fun. I'm sure I'll do an Instagram video with these for because I feel like it's going to be so fun. But like I said, these would be perfect if you were doing like a little pamper night or something like that. I totally feel like this would make such a cute little gift idea too, or a stocking stuffer for, you know, more of like your teens or younger girls that they could use these. I think that's really fun. I know MASQUE is available on Amazon, which also makes it really nice. So I'll have to see if they have like one of these packs available. We have a small little box here from Garnier, and it is more skincare. Like I said, this is the skincare week. They put in here their Pore Perfecting Serum Cream. This is a Canna B, so it's going to have cannabis oil in it, and it has vitamin B3 and it is also fragrance free. So here is that. I know that Garnier, I believe, recently just became cruelty free, I believe. I wanted to see on here if it says. It says vegan formula on here. Also, the plastic bottle does not have a pump, so it's made with 100% recyclable material. So very great here. I love to see brands just like going more towards that route. I feel like that's also a really big theme right now with skincare, is like making everything like biodegradable and easier for the planet and everything like that. So good to see that. I think after that, you guys, that is it for our PR unboxing this week. I know we got lots of skincare stuff. I'm going to link everything down below. Like I said, whatever you're interested in most, let me know. Leave a comment and let me know what you want to see reviews on, or if you want to see anything used in like a future video, I would love to do that for you. I'm going to go ahead and grab Rowan so he can say goodbye, and I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe as well before you go. Goodbye! Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe.